Hello guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification button. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this pleated skirts. Do you see the way the pleating is sitting fine? So if this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe, please. So now, this is the materials I'm using for the skirt. This is the materials, is a uniform material. So the skirt length that I'm using is 19, the waist is 39, while the hips is 48. So for this type of skirt, the length is not always long. It's like 3/4. It's like a short skirt, micro mini skirt, sorry. So now the length of my skirt is 19. So 19 minus 2. So you just mark it out. That's my 19. I have minus 2 from the upper part, sorry. And I use 2 trousers for this skirt. I just cut out the length, the full length like that. So now I've added extra 1.5 inches allowance to it to fold the down part and to add that upper part to the waist. So now I'm going to be cutting out 2 for this. It determines how you wanted it to be full, the fuller you want. So now what I'm trying to do here, I want to arrange it very well and cut out the second part for it, which is the back. This is the front. Now I'm going to cut out the back. So now what I want to do here, I want to cut out the waistband. The waistband is 39. So that 39, you are going to be adding extra 2 inches allowance for the zip space. So for the wideness, I'm going to be using 5 inches for the wideness. I just want to cut it out from the material straight, 5 inches, because I'm using 2 inches for the band. So you're going to be adding ½ inch to attach it to the down part. So you are going to be folding it into 2, making 5. So I've cut it out now. Now I take my tip rule. So I'm going to be cutting out that 39. Like I said earlier, you're going to be adding extra 2 inches sewing allowance to it. That is the 2 inches that I've added now, making 41 inches. It's already folded into 2 now. So 39 divided by 2 is 19.5. Plus that 1 inch making 20.5. So what I want to do here, I want to teach you guys on how to arrange the pleating. You just be folding it. Just give it a distance from the start. Be folding it by 2 inches. So you take it to your sewing machine. If you like, you can come down by 7 inches to stop the stitches on it. Just take your machine and sew it on it. So like this place now, if I use 7, but I'm using 5 for it. Sorry, I'm going to be using 5 because that 7 will be coming down to be too much. So you are going to be, anything you start with, maybe you are using 9 to end the stitches. That's what you are going to be using round, so that the pleating will be forming fine. So now let's go for the sewing. Just try to be folding the pleating by 2 inches. That's what I'm doing here. Now just take your tape rule, anything that you want to, anywhere you want to end it. Me, I later use 5 to stop. So anything you started with, if you are giving it to 2 inches distance, that's what you are going to be giving it all through. Gently, please. You don't need to be hurried with this. Just be sewing it gently so that the skirt will be neat and the pleating will be straight. So you just know that you are going to be doing it all through the skirt. So now, if you have gotten your desired waist measurement, you know this is the front now. Divided by 2 is 19.5. So after pleating it, if you have gotten your desired waist circumference, which is 19.5, just now you are going to be adding extra 2 inches allowance to it to join the two waists together. This is the way the pleating is sitting very fine. It's because it's a black material. That's why it's not giving me what I wanted, but it's still okay like that. So now this is the skirt. This is the way the pleating is coming out straight and it's sitting fine. So that's the band. I've attached the band and I've weaved it to make that place to be very neat. And I've attached my zip. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.